So finally here we are in the last video of the series, blockchain basics in 10 minutes. First of all, thanks for watching all the videos of the series. Now if you are someone who haven't watched it yet or missed any of those videos, then go back and watch the playlist. Invest your 10 minutes to learn about blockchain basics or crypto basics. This will help you a lot. So after watching all these videos, after learning about the basics of blockchain, now it's time to get started in blockchain cryptocurrency. Now how do you get started in blockchain or crypto? Now if you are interested in development or tech side, then you need to explore blockchain development space. So we have made a detailed podcast how to become a blockchain developer in 2022 with Ajay Yadav. He's a blockchain developer at the age of 20 years only. And now if you are not from tech background, if you are from, let's say if you are from a marketing background, if you want to explore those kinds of opportunities in Web3 or blockchain, then you need to explore how the marketing and digital marketing works in Web3. Even for that, I have made a detailed video on how digital marketing works on Web3. So I'll be attaching those two video links in the description. Now let's say if you are an artist or a designer, then it's time for you to start learning more about NFTs, NFT creation, minting. And now if you are neither any of these things, chill, then take a chill and start reading about blockchain or start seeing more videos about how the blockchain or this technology works. Try to analyze or observe the market and make your analysis so that you can find your future relevant opportunities. Now if you watch this whole video, thanks for watching this whole series and supporting me. If you found this series useful, do like and share and subscribe. Do share this right now. Do share this series with some of your friends who are willing to learn about blockchain or are interested to learn the new things. Do support my channel so that I can make more series or more videos about blockchain and Web3. Thank you so much. Sai Teja signing off.